Long-term owners, extensively updated, and genuinely well-kept. This is the type of home that doesn't last in any market. This is 404 Beverly, a 1,300 square foot two-story owned by the same family for 44 years. In this part of the city, that matters more than people realize. Inside, the cosmetic work has already been done. Flooring, kitchen, living room, dining room, and the bathrooms have all been refreshed. You're walking inside of a home that's been loved for and not flipped. 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath, and a large dedicated dining room. A functional layout that works for a family, a first-time buyer, or someone who just wants more house for their money. The roof was replaced in 2020. Copper plumbing throughout, back water valve in place, and the mechanicals have been maintained over the years. What you don't find often at this price point is a home with this level of pride of ownership. Most of what's available in this range needs work. This one doesn't. Then there's the basement, and this one cannot be replicated. A proper rec space, wood paneling that you genuinely don't see anymore, and a wet bar. This is the character that gets built once and never again. Outside, you've got a single detached garage, plus an additional gated parking pad. More parking than most homes in this range will offer you. If this looks like the one, reach out to your realtor and book a showing today.